how much should you actually spend on airtight food storage containers? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you exactly which ones are worth your money and why.
Product number 1, Freshmage 5-Pack Produce Savers. First up, the Freshmage 5-Pack fruit and veggie containers caught my eye because they're not just storage. They come with removable colanders built right in. At $21.99, they're positioned as a mid-range option for people who want to keep produce fresh longer without buying specialty gadgets. If you want to wash, store, and serve berries or leafy greens all in one container, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These removable colanders let you rinse your strawberries or spinach under the tap, then drain excess water before sealing, something most containers don't do. That moisture control is huge because excess water is what causes mold and spoilage fast. Each container ranges from 300 milliliters up to 4.2 liters, so you've got options for everything from blueberries to whole heads of lettuce. They're made from BPA-free polypropylene, safe from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 284 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can freeze, microwave, lid off, or toss them in the dishwasher. Over 10,000 sold last month shows real demand for this kind of practical design. Now, some people complained about the lids being hard to snap shut at first. Here's the thing though, that tight seal is exactly what keeps air out and freshness in. Once you get used to pressing down firmly on both sides, it becomes second nature. It's not broken design, it's intentional airtight engineering. This is perfect for you if you prep salads ahead of time or hate finding slimy cucumbers in your fridge. Skip this one if you only store dry goods like rice or pasta. For under $22, you're getting serious freshness extension and organization. Great value for produce lovers.
Product number 2, Netany 6-Pack Glass Jars. Alright, that was a solid option for fruits and veggies. But if you're into meal prep, overnight oats, or zero-waste living, the Netany 6-Pack Glass Jars might actually be even better for your routine. Priced at $19.99, these 16-ounce jars look simple, but they pack serious functionality. If you want clean, chemical-free storage that doubles as a portable lunch container, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Glass doesn't absorb odors or stains like plastic does. That means yesterday's curry won't flavor today's yogurt. The airtight lids use silicone gaskets to lock in freshness and prevent leaks, so you can toss one in your bag without worrying about messes. The wide mouth makes it easy to scoop out thick oatmeal or drop in whole berries, and they're dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Plus, they stack neatly thanks to the recessed lid design. Over 10,000 sold last month showed how popular these are for healthy eaters and busy parents. Now, some people complained about the lids warping after repeated dishwasher cycles. Here's the thing though, that's avoidable if you hand wash the lids or place them on the top rack. Glass itself will last decades, so replacing a lid every few years is still cheaper than buying new plastic containers constantly. This is perfect for you if you make overnight oats, pack snacks, or store homemade sauces. Skip this one if you need large volume storage for flour or rice. For under $20, you're getting durable, non-toxic, and versatile jars. Excellent value for daily use.
Product number 3, ComSaf 3-Pack Pantry Canisters. Now, if the previous glass jars felt too small for your pantry staples, this next one takes a completely different approach. Big, stackable, and built for dry goods. The ComSaf 3-Pack includes one 5.2-liter and two 2.5-liter containers, all for $18.99. If you want to ditch flimsy bags of flour and sugar and finally organize your baking station, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The side-locking lids create a true airtight seal that keeps ants, moisture, and stale air out, something zip-top bags can't do. The 5.2-liter contains about 5 pounds of flour, and each smaller one fits 2 pounds of sugar, so you're covering your most used ingredients. They're made from clear, food-grade plastic, so you can instantly see what's inside and how much is left. Plus, they come with labels and a measuring cup, small touches that make a big difference when you're mid-recipe. Over 4,000 sold last month shows real trust in this brand. Now, some people complained that the lids feel stiff at first and require 2 hands to lock properly.
Here's the thing though, that stiffness ensures the seal stays tight over time. Once you get the hang of pressing down while flipping the clips, it becomes quick and reliable. This is perfect for you if you bake regularly or hate dealing with torn cereal bags. Skip this one if you need microwave-safe containers for leftovers. For under $19, you're getting serious pantry organization. Great value for home bakers.
Product number 4, OXO Good Grips Pop 4.4 QT. All right, that was a solid budget-friendly set. But if you're ready to invest in a system that grows with your kitchen, the OXO Good Grips Pop container is a game changer. This 4.4 quart model is ideal for 5 pounds of pasta, flour, or cereal. And though the price isn't listed, it typically runs around $20 to $25. If you want one-handed operation and a seal you can trust, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The push-button lid creates an instant airtight seal and doubles as a handle. That means you can open it with one hand while stirring with the other. The curved corners make pouring smooth, and the fill line helps you avoid overfilling. It's dishwasher safe, BPA free, and designed to stack perfectly with other pop containers, so you can build a full system over time. Over 4,000 sold last month shows OXO's reputation for reliability. Now, some people complained that the button mechanism can get sticky if food dust builds up. Here's the thing though, a quick rinse and dry fixes it instantly. This isn't a design flaw, it's maintenance, just like any kitchen tool. This is perfect for you if you want a premium long-term storage solution. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need occasional use. For the price, you're getting unmatched convenience and durability.
Product number 5, OXO Pop Big Square Short 2.8 quart. Now, if the taller pop container felt too big for your shelves, this shorter, wider version might actually be the smarter fit. The OXO Big Square Short holds 2.8 quarts, perfect for 5 pounds of sugar, cookies, or crackers, and costs $18.95. If you want compact storage that maximizes shelf space without sacrificing seal quality, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The wide base gives you easy access to contents, so you're not fishing around for the last cookie. Like all pop containers, it uses the same reliable push-button airtight seal and is compatible with OXO's add-ons like labels and scoops, sold separately. The square shape stacks efficiently, and the clear body lets you see exactly what's inside. Over 3,000 sold last month shows people love this size for snacks and baking essentials. Now, some people complained that the accessories aren't included. Here's the thing though, that keeps the base price lower, and you only buy what you need. Plus, they're easy to add later. This is perfect for you if you store snacks, sugar, or small dry goods. Skip this one if you need large volume storage for pasta or rice. For under $19, you're getting smart design and OXO's trusted seal. Solid value for organized kitchens.
So which one's right for you? The Fresh Mage set wins for produce, Netany jars for portability, ComSaf for budget pantry storage, and both OXO Pop models for long-term, one-handed convenience. Price doesn't always mean better, but matching the right design to your habits does. Pick the one that fits your kitchen, not the one with the flashiest ads.